So today we can discuss about the searching algorithms. So in searching algorithm, we have two types of search. One is linear search and binary search. Usually we will use the linear search in our ordered list and binary search in the ordered list. So you can see this is an unordered list and this is ordered list. And suppose in the linear search, its time complexity will be big of n because it needs to compare each items one by one to find the item, find the searching item. Suppose we are searching 7, so it needs to search uh, at the end. So it needs to search with all the items in the list. It means big of n. So that is the time complexity of linear search. And the big of means worst case we are discussing. In the best case it is 0 because suppose we are searching 0, then we will get the result at the beginning. That first item itself is a 0. And binary search, so binary search is like a we need a sorted list. So in binary search what we will do, we will search in the fashion that we will be traversing through a binary search tree. So in binary search, we will calculate L equal to L and the right. So here, when we are beginning, L will be 0 and R will be n minus 1, that is 10 items, and 10 minus 1, 9. Then it will be L plus R divided by 2. So M equal to 0 plus 9 divided by 2 equal to 4. That means it's the 4 items. Then our left and right will be updated. Left will be L because for we are searching 7 and suppose I am searching 7. So 7 is bigger than 4 what we got in the middle. So our left will be updated. Left will be updated to mid plus 1 means 5. Now new mid will be 5 plus 9 divided by 2. 5 plus 9 equal to 14. 14 divided by 2 is equal to 7. So we got 7. So our search is success.